Right, run VT. Right, come in. So, Arthur, ready for the weekend so you can do a bit of marathoning. I've completely, as you can see, refurbished said scooter, fixed the starting problems. Just like to zoom in on my quality install of the new battery. And I've totally revamped the entire transmission. If you come around this side. Oh, hang on a minute. Yeah, we'll not talk about that bit. All brand new Polini race gear in there. No expense spared for you, Arthur. I shall now give you a demonstration. Top speed of an earth-shattering 15 miles an hour.